Cup Noodles is a brand of cup instant ramen developed in 1971 and manufactured by a Japanese food company, Nissin Foods. Single servings of the product are packaged in foam, plastic, or paper cups and are prepared by adding boiling water.
Today, we're going to try one of the signature products under this legendary brand name, Nissin. We have chosen Tonkotsu Flavour Cup Noodles as main feature this round.
Unwrapping the noodles cup, you may find all the ingredients are unpacked into the cup container, including the seasoning powder and various garnishes. You just need to add in hot water to cook everything together.
Cover up and wait for 2 minutes. Now it's ready to serve.
The noodles portion is generous. Garnishes given are generous too. Soup tastes good. It is a non-spicy version. Noodles texture is above average, nice chewing.
Overall, it is a satisfying foodie experience on instant noodles today. How much kudos score for this?
Oh yeah, you'll know the score by the end.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a discovery channel featuring good food and traveling trips. If you're interested in food, no matter from a cafe, restaurant, or local stall, or even convenient food like instant noodles and ramen, you may just subscribe this channel to get food updates weekly.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points.
8.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.